In this video, we'll review how to connect supplemental low voltage wire using a splice connector. Carefully split the supplemental low voltage wire. Using your wire strippers, strip the supplemental low voltage wire ends to expose the copper beneath the sheathing. Open your splice connector and place the primary low voltage cable horizontally into the channel of the splice connector. Close the splice connector by squeezing it shut. Ensure the internal metal needles pierce through both sides of the primary wire. If metal needles miss the wire, open the splice connector and reposition and then close the splice connector completely. On your supplemental low voltage wire, insert the exposed copper ends into each side of the splice connector openings. Remember to keep the polarity consistent. ATMOX recommends using the grooved side as negative for consistency across all connections. Once inserted, push both clips down to lock and hold the wires in place. Gently pull on these connector wires to ensure the connection is tight and secure.